Welcome to one of the main sections about saving money, and it's gonna be right sizing. This section will be quite intermediate to understand and to fix depending on the different services. First, what is right sizing? So right sizing is a process of matching instance types and size to your workload performance and capacity requirements at the lowest possible cost. So you have here your instance type, which is C7GN.2X large, which is this one here, the price details. So imagine that you are using a maximum of 40% CPU and 40% memory here. So if you are not using them, you can try to downsize instance, meaning you're gonna reduce by 2 the number of memory and CPU, but also you're gonna divide the cost by 2. So right sizing usually represents between 30% and 60% of your total opportunities. So this is huge. And this is commitments excluded, meaning no saving plans and no reserved instances. It requires intermediate efforts, so the goal is to reduce the costs while maintaining performance and efficiency. So we don't want your application to be laggy because of this. Then it can be detected through a lot of different services, including Compute Optimizer, Trusted Advisor, CloudWatch Metrics, Cost Optimizations Hub, Autoscaling, and Athena Queries, to just name a few. The process of right sizing is first to analyze the usage data. So you can use various services to check the performance and look at the metrics like CPU utilization, memory usage, disk, IOPS, and network traffic. Then you can identify the underused or also the overused resources. Then you can consider downgrading, upgrading, scanning out or in, and switching instance types. You can review your already in place reserved instance and saving plans. And once it's done, you have to monitor and continuously optimize. Where can you use right sizing? On a lot of different areas like compute, for example, EC2, ECS, Lambda, autoscaling. You can also do it on databases such as AirDS, DynamoDB, Elasticache, Aurora, Neptune, and on storage with EBS, FS6, and S3, and also on analytics and machine learning, for example, with Redshift, Elastic MapReduce, and SageMaker.